Welcome back. Well, we're going through budget announcements one by one, and now let's look at railways. It seems the Capex announcements have kind of disappointed the street a little bit, or perhaps it's just become an excuse for profit-taking after a surge of 200, 300, 350% on a lot of these stocks. We have Hormaz joining in with the latest. So Hormaz, little bit of red today, right?
Absolutely, a little bit, as you can say. It's not a 5-6% kind of a cut, but a 2 to 3% cut. And as we can call it with the railway stocks, they are kind of sulking at the moment because of the Capex announcements, as you mentioned. So IRFC, RVNL, IRCON, RailTel, all of them are trading lower between 2 to 3% after the FM speech. And the Capex announcements that were made today, they may have disappointed the street because 2.52 lakh crore were allocated to the Ministry of Railways. That was higher than the 2.4 crore number last year, but not as high as the street was anticipating, because this is around about 5% growth compared to last year, but the street was anticipating somewhere between 10% on a conservative basis. And brokerages like Nirmal Bang also said that railways should get a higher share of the capital allocation that the FM makes in this interim budget. Now, some of the other announcements made by the minister during the budget speech were the 3 new railway corridors that she has announced. And those 3 corridors are the energy, mineral and cement corridor, the port connectivity corridor, and the high density traffic corridor, which according to the finance minister will improve efficiency and also reduce logistics cost, thereby accelerating the country's GDP. And the other announcement that they made were around 40,000 ordinary bogies that would be converted onto Vande Bharat standards for the safety and convenience of passengers. So not extremely big bang announcements, but which is kind of expected considering it was the interim budget and not a full-fledged budget. But as you said, that the stocks having had a run like that, having gone up 100%, 200, 300%, and with RVNL and IRFC in particular, they were up 70% in January itself. So a little bit of profit taking, not unsurprising, but par for the course, as you can call it.
Okay, all right, Hormaz. It seems some of these railway companies, looks like they missed a couple of stations. They zoomed ahead, and now, in fact, they're just catching up because the way these stocks have run up in the last year or so. Well,
thank you for watching CNBC TV 18, and do follow us on all our social media platforms for news, updates and more.